Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we have completed the second main of exercise 1.2. Today let us continue exercise 1.2, the question number 3, that means third main. Find missing terms. They have given 5 questions. See, this box shows the missing term. 2, second term is missing, and 26. First term gap, 30 gap, 3. This box shows the missing terms. See, this one is very interesting type of sums. These are interesting sums. So let us solve one by one. Before that, let us know some important terms. We know in AP, A1, A2, A3, A4 dash dash are called terms of AP. A1 first term, A2 second term, like that. Then according to that terms of AP, what does they mean? For example, first term not necessary. That is first term is given always. A2, what is the meaning of A2? A2 term is obtained by adding the common difference D. That is A2 means A plus D. Then what is the meaning of A3? A plus 2D. A plus 2D. How we will get this one? By using the En. En equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is A3 equals to A plus N 3 minus 1 into D. A plus 3 minus 1 2D. That is A3 is A plus 2D. Instead of applying this formula for every case, let us shorten the solution by using the terms like this. That is A2 equals to A plus D, A3 equals to A plus 2D. Can you tell me the A4? See, nothing. A4 equals to A plus 3D. A5 equals to A plus 4D. Like this we have to write the terms continuously, which helps for solving the problems very easy way. Okay, let us continue the first question. That is first one 2, then 26. You know, this one is A1 first term, this one is A2, this one is A3. Okay, let us apply the meaning. That is A3 equals to A plus 2D. A3 how much? 26. A how much? 2 plus 2D. 26 minus 2 equals to 2D. 24 equals to 2D. D equals to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. D equals to 12. Okay. We need A2. Okay. A2. What is the meaning of A2? Sir, A plus D. A is 12. D is A is 2. D is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Yes, missing term is 14. Missing term is 14. In this way, we have to find all the missing terms. Okay, write down this one. See, the question number 1 is completed. The second, first term is missing, then third term is missing. Okay, I have written the question like here. A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Now, which terms are given? Let us write down. A2 equals to 13. Second term is given a2 equals to 13. Let us write the meaning of a2. a2 means a plus b equals to 13. Let us say this one as 1, equation 1. Then which term is given? a4 is given. a4 equals to 3. What is the meaning of a4? a plus 3d. I have shown you how we get this 3d. Okay, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into a. N is 4 minus 1 3, that is 3d. This one is the plus the. Just learn the meaning of that a1, a2, a3. a3 a plus 2d, a5 a plus 4d. Let us subtract 1 from that previous term, fourth term 3d. a plus 3d equals to 3. This one is second. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. a plus d equals to 13. a plus 3d equals to 3. Okay. Let us subtract by subtracting. While we subtract, we have to change the sign. Plus a minus a gets cancelled, then minus 2d, that is minus 3d plus minus 2d equals to 10. So d equals to 10 by minus 2, that is 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore d equals to minus 5. d equals to minus 5. Then substitute. Put d equals to minus 5 in 1. Let us substitute this value in equation 1, or you can take equation 2 also. a plus d equals to 13. So a plus minus 5 equals to 13, because we got d as minus 5. a minus 5 equals to 13. Therefore, a equals to 13 plus 5. So, a equals to 18. a equals to 18. Now, let us find the missing term. See, a2. We know a2 means a plus d. That is a how much? We got a as 18 plus d how much? Minus 5. That is 18 minus 5. The second term is 13. 13. Then first term is 18. Is it got? We got that a2 as 13. In this way, we have to find the a3, the missing term. a3. What is the meaning of a3? a plus 2d. We know that a equals to 18 plus 2 into d minus 5. 18 minus 10, that is equals to 8. The missing terms are 18 and 8. The missing terms are 18 and 8. See once again. First, we have to write what they have given. a2 is given, a2 30. We have to write the meaning of a2. a plus 3 equals to 30. Then a4 is given. We have to write a4 meaning a plus 3d equals to 3. Then by solving the equations in 9th standard we have learned that simultaneous equations, how to solve the simultaneous equations. See, we got the d equals to minus 5. After getting the d equals to minus 5, we have to find the first term, that is a plus d equals to 13. a plus of minus 5 equals to 13. a minus 5 equals to 13. a equals to 13 plus 5, minus 5 is transferred. So transfer transpose, that is 30 plus 5, A equals to 18. A equals to 18. If we got, after getting the first term, let us find the which term we need. Already A is got as 18. We need A3 term. So A3 equals to A plus 2D. 18 plus 2 minus 5. 18 minus 10, that is 8. The missing terms are 18 and 8. Okay, write down. Okay, now the third one, A1, A2, A3, that's A4. See, let us write which they have given. A1 means that is A equals to 5. Then A4 equals to 9 integer 1 by 2. Let us write the meaning of A4. A plus 3D equals to 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. A1 is given, that is 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. Then 3D equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. LCM is 2. 2 ones are 1 2s are 19 minus 10, that is 9 by 2. 3D equals to 9 by 2. Then B equals to 9 by 2 into 3 by, that means 1 by 3. 3 transfer, that becomes 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. D equals to 3 by 2. D equals to 3 by 2. That is 3D equals to 9 by 2. Therefore, D equals to 9 by 2 by 3. So, by 3 means that I have kept 1 by 3. Don't confuse about that. Where is 1 by 3? From where you have got that 1 by 3? That is nothing but 3 have been transposed. So that has been kept as 1 by 3. Okay. Next, D equals to 3 by 2. We need second term, A2. Write the meaning of A2. A plus D. A plus D, A how much? 5 plus D, 3 by 2. LCM 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 13 by 2, which means 6 integer 1 by 2. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 are 13. 13 by 2, which you can keep as it is, 13 by 2. But we have to simplify if possible. That is 6 integer 1 by 2 is the second term. So as third term, A3 equals to A plus 2D. A is how much? 5 plus 2 into D how much? 3 by 2. Okay, 5 plus 2 cancels, that is 3. Then 5 plus 3 8. A3 equals to 8. Like this we have to find. Write down. See, let us move to the fourth one. that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are given. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. As usual, we have to write what they have given. A1, which implies A, that is equals to -4. Then A6 they have given. A6 equals to 6. Then meaning of A6, A plus 5D to 6. A means -4 plus 5D equals to 6. 5D equals to 6 minus 4 if transpose, that is plus 4. 5D equals to 10. D equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D equals to 2. D equals to 2. Now let us move to find that A2, A3, A4, A5. A2, meaning of A2, A plus D. -4 plus 2, that is -2. A3, A plus 2D, that is A is -4 plus 2 into 2, that is -4 plus 4, which gets cancelled. Then A4, A plus 3D, A -4 plus 3 into 2, -4 plus 6, that is equals to plus 2. Then A5 equals to A plus 4D, that is -4 plus 4 into 2, that is -4, 4 twos are 8, which is equals to 4. So the missing terms are -2, 0, 2, 4. Okay, write down. See, this one is the fifth one, last question of the question number 3rd में last question. See, as usual, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, 6 terms are given. Okay, but second and third term values are given. Okay, what they have given, let us write. A2 equals to 38. What is the meaning of A2? A plus D. How we got this one? By using A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. That is D. A plus D equals to 38. Let us say this as first equation. Next, A6 is given. That is A6 equals to -22. What is the meaning of A6? A plus 5D. 6 minus 1, 5D. That is equals to -22. Second, solving first and second. Okay, solving first and second. A plus D, 38. A plus 5D, -22. Okay, let us change the sign by subtracting. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. -4D equals to 60. So D equals to 60 divided by -4. So 4 ones are 4 15s are. D equals to -15. d equals to minus 15. Put d equals to minus 15 in 1. Okay, which one is the one? A plus b equals to 38. Okay, a minus 15 equals to 38. Therefore, a equals to 38 plus 15, that is equals to 53. A equals to 53. Write down this much. Then what you have to do? You have to find the remaining term. A1 that we got 53. Then A3 we need. A3 equals to A plus 2B. A 53 plus 2 into 15. That is minus 15. 53 minus 30. 52 is 30. So 23. Then A4 53 plus A4 A plus 3D 53 plus 3 into minus 15 53 minus 45, that is equals to 8. Then we need a plus 4d, which is equals to 53 plus 4 into minus 15. 53 minus 60, that is equals to minus 7. Yes, all terms we got. So write down all these things. A2 given us, so we applied A plus B equals to 30. A60 is given, so A6 meaning I have written A plus 5D. Then both the equation we have to solve. Then after getting the values of A and D, we have to complete the question. That is A3 we have to find, A4 we have to find, A5 we have to find. Okay, this third main of that exercise 1.2 is completed. Tomorrow let us continue the next main. I hope all of you have written in the fair. Written or not? Yes, you should write. Okay, thank you.